Yo, what's poppin', boys? It's your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Cold War Alpha for free, and you'll be able to play it this Friday. Also, just wanted to note that PUBG and Street Fighters are out for free right now if you have PS Plus, so make sure you guys go cop those. But yeah, it's super simple to do, and now that I'm looking at it, if you just go right below the store, there's actually a sponsored thing that we can click and download now. However, I believe that might not be on everyone's thing. So what you want to just do is hit PlayStation Store and then search Call of Duty Cold War Alpha. And then once you search that, it will be the first option. You can just click on that and download. And bam, guys, you'll be able to play on Friday. So I hope this video helped and was easy and quick and cut right to the chase. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and peace. See you guys.